Hello, welcome to Codes Coding. Today we are going to find the list second largest element. So to find this one, I have to use two methods. Let's see the first method. Initially, I have to create the list like this and see here what are the elements is there. First, I have to sort these elements. So now try to print the list. Now you can run this code. You will get python demo.py. This is the command to run the program. Now you can run. Now you can see here. This is the way we have to sort the elements in the list. Okay. Then what to do next? To print finding purpose, the first largest element in the list. Okay. How I bind list minus 1. If you have to specify like this, which will go this array, this list, and find the first largest element. Now you can run this one. See here, 100 is the first largest element. Now what I have to do? I have to find the second largest element, right? But same, I have to copy this one and paste it here. Okay, here I have to mention second. Then what happened in the array, it will consider the second largest one. Now run this one. Now you can see here the second largest element, I have to find it. This is the one way to find the second largest element. Now we will see the second method. This second method is very simple. So I have to take a list, that list convert into the set. On this set, I have to use the Python methods remove and max to find the second largest element in the given list. First of all, let's see the coding. Now I have to take a list. Insert the numbers. On this list, I have to find this list converted into, take a variable, that variable name as the new list, and use the method set method. This is a set method which will convert the list into set. Now you can print the value, print the new list. Then you get whether it's converted or not. Now come to here, python demo.py. This is the keyword which will going to tell the compiler to execute the Python program. Now you can see it will be converted into the set. The set always denotes, so these curly braces, right? Now this new list. Now new list dot remove as a method which is going to remove the element. Then max, which keyword I have to use here? I have to use here the new list. Now print new list. Just print the new list. See, now you can see this is the new list. In this new list, there is no 100, right? 100 is the value. That 100 is removed here. Okay, this 100 is removed. Now what? In this one, wait, in this one, this one we will get it, right? In this one, I have to find the largest element, right? So print max of new list. Now run this code. Run this code. Now you can see. So before run, we need to save, right? Now you can see 67 is removed. So here the first largest element is 100 and the second largest element is 67. That one we have to find it here, right? So in this way, we have to find the second largest element in these two methods. So for more videos, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time.